It was the arrest of South Africa's golden boy that sent world media into a frenzy.
I got a gold and then we got a gold in the relay.
Questions about how and why Oscar Pistorius killed his model girlfriend Reeva Steenkamp.
But just maintain integrity and maintain class and just always be true to yourself.
On this side, the prosecution will argue that Oscar Pistorius killed Reeva Steenkamp intentionally, and on the other side, Oscar's defense will put up a fierce fight to prove that it was a mistake in a case that is expected to be one of the most talked about in recent history.
Autographed by O.J. Simpson.
The Pistorius murder trial has already drawn comparisons to that of disgraced U.S. football star O.J. Simpson. The athlete was accused of the murder of his ex-wife, Nicole Brown Simpson. Following a landmark ruling by Gauteng High Court Judge Dunstan Mlambo that parts of the trial can be televised, the court has been a hive of activity, with equipment being installed and the media already setting up.
We are anticipating that there's going to be between 300 and 400 journalists, both locally and internationally, who are going to cover the trial. And in this regard, we have made provision for 80 spaces in the main courtroom. And for those journalists who are not going to be accommodated in the main courtroom, we have space in the overflow courtroom where they will be accommodated.
The city of Tshwane also expects traffic disruptions around the court, particularly in Madiba, Palace and Paul Kruger streets.
We've made enough parking space available for the media. We're not going to close the roads unless we see that there's disruptions.
Many will be watching with bated breath as details of what happened on that day unfold.
I think everyone wants to know what exactly happened that day or that night, and we obviously want to see justice.
Like you said, right, I would see that the law takes its course, and I think that we can find closure.
And that was quite tough. I ran a great race.
As the world's eyes again turn towards South Africa. Criselda Lewis, SABC News in Pretoria.